In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Arm Wrestle Simulator Discord server. If you want a quick and reliable way to find the official community for Arm Wrestle Simulator, the easiest method is to use Discord's built-in Discover feature. This allows you to browse public servers directly within Discord, making it simple to find the right community without searching for invitation links from other sources. In just a few minutes, you'll be connected with other players and able to keep up with game updates, announcements, and discussions. To begin, open Discord and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're on the main screen, look at the vertical list of server icons along the left side of the window. Scroll down if necessary until you see the small compass icon near the bottom. This is the Discover button. Click it to open Discord's public server directory. After the Discover page opens, you'll see a variety of featured communities and categories. Instead of browsing through them manually, head to the search bar located in the upper right corner of the page. Click inside the search box, type Arm Wrestle Simulator, and wait a few moments for the results to appear. Discord will search its public server directory and display communities related to your search. From the search results, look for Kubo Games, which is the Roblox studio behind Arm Wrestle Simulator. Selecting this result will open a preview of the server before you join. This preview lets you view the server description, see approximately how many members are part of the community, and get an idea of the types of channels available. Taking a quick look at this information helps confirm that you've found the correct official community. When you're ready to join, simply click the Join button at the top of the preview. Discord will immediately add the server to the list on the left side of your screen and open it automatically. In most cases, you'll first arrive in a Welcome or Rules channel. It's always a good idea to read through the posted guidelines so you understand the community rules and know how to participate respectfully. As a final tip, make sure your Discord app is updated so all of the latest features, including the Discover section, are available. If the Join button doesn't work right away, it could be due to a temporary connection issue or server limitation. Waiting a few moments and trying again usually resolves the problem. That's all there is to it. By using Discord's Discover feature, searching for Arm Wrestle Simulator, selecting Kubo Games, and clicking Join, you'll quickly become part of the official community where you can stay informed, chat with other players, and keep up with everything related to the game. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,